Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Hoisin glazed chicken wings. One of my favourites. The best way I can describe how much I like these recipes is if it was an actress, it would be the beautiful Jenny Agutter. And if it was a wine, it'd be a Premier Cru Chablis ice cold. Got it? As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below or on screen now. First, let's make the sauce, and to do that, put the following ingredients in a suitably sized saucepan. Half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon each of minced garlic and ginger, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses, two tablespoons of peanut butter, followed by 5 tablespoons of water. Then bring to the heat, stirring continually and cook until all the sugar is dissolved. Lastly, mix in 1 teaspoon of cornflour slurry until the consistency you want is achieved. And there you have it, 1 batch of Hoisin sauce. And now on to the chicken wings bit. And this is simplicity itself. In a suitably sized food bag, put 4 tablespoons of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Then when this is done, add the chicken wings to the bag and give it a thorough shake so everything gets coated. Next thing you do is spread the chicken wings out on a suitably sized oven-proof tray. Then it's off to a preheated oven for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are up, take the wings out and turn them over. And back into the oven for a further 20 minutes. And when the second 20 minutes are completed, remove the wings from the oven and brush over liberally with Hoisin sauce. Both sides, don't forget. Some people might be wondering why we haven't cut our wings up into tips, flats and rounds. There's a very good reason for that. We don't bloody want to. It's the way we like our wings. And when the chicken wings are well coated in the Hoisin sauce, it's back into the oven for 5 minutes. Then when the 5 minutes are up, you're ready to serve. Very easy, very tasty, and one of my favourite recipes. I do hope you give it a try, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.